Today I am going to discuss the topic excretion from chapter 6 life processes. As all of you know that all cities have garbage system to maintain their city clean and in hygienic conditions. Similarly, all the animals use some kind of mechanisms to eject waste from their body. In this lesson, we will study about various waste disposal strategies used by living organisms to excrete waste products from the body. All living organisms consume food to obtain energy, which is done by various metabolic activities like nutrition and respiration, which generate various nitrogenous waste in their body. If these nitrogenous waste remain inside in their body, they will be harmful. So, these waste products have to be removed from the body, and this process of eliminating harmful waste products from the body of living organisms is termed as excretion. Different organisms have different strategies for removal of these waste products. For example, single-celled organism like amoeba, it removes waste products from its body by simple diffusion through the body surface. While in multicellular organisms like animals, they have specialized organs for this purpose. Plants have tiny pores on the surface of leaves called stomata, which remove the gases like oxygen produced during photosynthesis and carbon dioxide produced during respiration. Plants also remove excess of water by means of transpiration. Many waste products are stored in the leaves of the plants, which eventually fall off. Some waste substances are excreted off in the soil. Now, we will discuss excretory system in human beings. There are special organs for excretion in human beings, and these are a pair of bean-shaped kidneys which are located on the left side of abdomen. Two tubes arise from the kidneys known as ureters, which opens up into a muscular bag called urinary bladder, which excrete out waste substances through a channel called urethra,